Today, I'm really excited to show you something super cool. If you love to travel or work with photos and videos, this little gadget might make your life a whole lot easier. It's called the OMNICHARGE OMNI 40C Plus, and I think it's awesome. So what does it do? Well, it's more than just a power bank. It's like a mini power station you can carry in your backpack. It has two super fast USB-C ports that can charge things like laptops, tablets, and phones. Each port is 100 watts, which means it charges really fast. It also has a slot for SD cards, so you can easily move photos or videos from your camera to your computer. And get this, it even has a full-sized HDMI port, so you can connect it to a TV or monitor, and I think that's pretty cool. And just so you know, OMNICHARGE sent me this device for free to try it out. They didn't pay me to say anything, and everything I say is my honest opinion. Alright, let's jump in and take a closer look. As soon as I open the box, the first thing I see is the manual. It's small, simple, and easy to understand, just the way I like it. Right under that is a cool looking black case that's made to keep everything safe. I unzip it and my eyes go straight for the star of the show, the 40C Plus. When I pick it up, it feels strong and heavy, about 1.1 kilos, which is around 2.4 pounds. It feels heavy, but portable enough to carry, and it definitely feels solid and well made in my hands. So this is the main device and it looks awesome. It has a unique triangle shape that makes it stand out. The outside feels soft and smooth because it's covered in a rubber-like material that helps it stay in place and protects it from getting scratched. The black color gives it a clean, professional look. The case zips opens and it's soft on the inside to keep your power bank safe. And it even has small pockets to store cables or SD cards so you don't lose anything. Now it also comes with a cable, and this cable is thick, strong, and made to last. Since it's 100 watts power delivery cable, it can charge big devices like laptops super fast without breaking or getting damaged easily. Now this also comes with a little charger, but don't let the size fool you. It's powerful. It gives you about 65 watts of charging power, which means it can fill up the Omni 40C Plus quickly, even when you're on the go. Now the manual is short and super clear. It has helpful pictures and tells you exactly how to use the buttons, the screen, and all the different ports without any confusion. From the moment you open the box, you can tell that OMNICHARGE put a lot of care into this. Everything looks clean, feels strong, and it's made to help you stay charged no matter where you are. Now it's port time. Let's see what this thing can connect to. First, let's take a look at the front. There are two USB-A ports, the regular ones you see on most chargers. Each one gives you 18 watts of power, which is great for charging things like phones, tablets, or Bluetooth headphones. And then we've got a total of 3 USB-C ports on the front. The middle one is super powerful. It can send out 100 watts to charge things like a laptop, or it can take in 90 watts to charge the Omni 40C Plus itself really fast. The 2 USB-C side ports each give you 30 watts, which is perfect for smaller stuff like a camera or a Nintendo Switch. Now here's something really cool. If you plug in your laptop into that big 100 watts USB-C port and turn on a setting called hub mode, the Omni 40C Plus acts like a USB hub. That means you can plug in things like flash drives or SSDs into the other front ports, and your laptop will see them, just like if they were plugged in straight into the laptop. Now let's flip it around. There's another USB-C port on the back and it's also 100 watts, so now you've got 2 super powerful charging ports. Underneath to that is a full-size HDMI port. It lets you connect to a TV or a monitor and show things up to 4K resolution at 30 frames per second. That's perfect to expand your workflow on an external screen. There's also an SD card slot, and it works with SD, SDHC, and SDXC cards. So if you use a camera, you can pop the card in directly without needing a dongle or adapter. And last, there's a DC barrel port, the round one some older chargers use. It gives you 100 watts too, and it's great if you have an older device that needs this type of plug. So when you put it all together, this little box is a mini docking station with a big battery inside. You can charge stuff, connect storage, show videos on a screen, and so much more, all from one powerful gadget. Let's see what else it can do. Now something big is that you can actually charge the Omni 40C Plus and use it at the same time. This is called pass-through charging, and it's super useful. Here's how it works. Inside the Omni, the power is split into two parts. One for the front ports and one for the back ports. That means they can work separately without getting in each other's ways. So you can do something like this. Plug in your laptop into the big 100 watts USB-C port on the front so it stays charged and ready. Then plug the wall charger into the back USB-C or round DC port, and that recharges the 40C Plus while your laptop keeps working and charging. Now your laptop stays full and the Omni charges at the same time. That's a win-win. But you can also flip it around. Charge your laptop from the back port and use the front port to recharge the Omni. Now here's another smart feature. There's a setting in the menu called Only HDMI mode. If you turn it on, the Omni will stop sending power to your laptop and it just uses the HDMI port and SD card slot. That's really helpful if your laptop is already fully charged and you just want to connect to a monitor or move files from an SD card without wasting power. Now your laptop battery is very low and you still need to finish a project or edit some photos or just show something. Watch a movie perhaps on the go or on vacation. Now you grab the Omni 40C Plus, plug your laptop into the front 100 watts USB-C port and boom, it starts charging. But at the same time you also got a phone, a tablet. You can actually plug all these devices at the same time because it has a lot of ports you can use. Now let's say you're on a short trip taking photos with your camera and you stop for a break and you want to back up your photos fast because your SD card is full. Now pop the SD card from your camera into the Omni, plug in an external SSD card into the front port and plug your phone into another port to top off the battery. And plug in your laptop and you can easily move files from the SD card to the SSD or to your laptop. No need to unpack your whole setup, it's all happening right there. This thing turns your bag into a portable charging and backup station. Total lifesaver in many use cases. Alright, it all comes down to one thing. Is the Omni 40C Plus worth it? Let's start with the most important question. How much does it cost? Well, it's priced around $399 USD, and that's not cheap. But here's why it could be worth every penny. You're not just buying a power bank, this is a full charging and connection station that fits in your bag. You can charge a laptop, phone, tablet all at once and use the HDMI port and pop in an SD card all at the same time. It's very strong and made to last. I believe with good care you can use it for 5 to 10 years. But who is this for? Well, I guess for people who are always traveling or taking a lot of photos and recording videos, or anyone who does a lot of creative work away from home, or you're just someone that really hates running out of power. Well, if any of this sounds like you, this thing does make life way easier. Now I've used this while being away from home, and this device lets me charge everything at once, move files and connect to external screens, all without needing more wall plugs or cables. That means no scrambling for outlets and no dead batteries at important moments. Now if you're just the tiniest bit intrigued after this story and you're ready to make your charging life easier, check out the links below. And don't forget to tap the thumbs up to help more people find this video. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below. And don't miss out, subscribe for more fun and easy tech reviews. Thanks for watching and I hope you have an amazing day. And I'll see you in the next video.